Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business LinkedIn banner using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set LinkedIn banner dimensions. I place the main visual and pause. LinkedIn visuals must feel serious and clean. I convert the image to a smart object. I open Camera Raw filter and enable Super Zoom gently. I increase zoom slightly and stop. I reduce noise to maintain professionalism. I zoom in to text-safe areas. I protect them with masking.